Hello বন্ধুরা, I hope that you all are doing great. So আজ আমি কেন আসলাম? Today my intention is that I want to share with you something about cricket match. Behind me you can see there is a lot of people. They are playing cricket right now. And also তারা আমাকে বলেছিল যে you can play cricket with us, but I already told you that I have some problem in my hands. For that reason I can't play cricket right now with anyone. So আমি এখন কোথায় যাচ্ছি? আমার যাওয়ার কোনো জায়গা নাই এখন। আপাতত I'm just walking and making this video for my viewers, and you can see the beauty of this nature. I love natural places. I live in city place. I couldn't find natural beauty all the time. For that reason, whenever I'm just coming different kind of natural place, so in that time I try to enjoy myself to making some videos for my viewers. So right now I'm feeling really excited and also enjoy. So আপনারা বলেন আমারে যে আপনারা যখন কথা বলার চেষ্টা করেন, কথা বলতে চান, তখন কেমন ফিল করেন? আমি মনে করি অনেকেই ভয় পায় বা hesitation feel করে. Don't worry about that. Just speaking. If you speak in front of camera, within few months you will become native speaker. Thank you everyone.